everyone, and welcome to our webinar presentation. Our topic today is improving internal communication management in SME. This presentation is based on a case study involving two SME. Company A, a furniture manufacturer, and Company B, a vehicle repair system company. Both companies face internal communication issues and use participative business model strategy to improve their system. Today, we will guide through each part of our analysis, including their communication structure, strategy, the channel phase, suggested improvement, and the conclusion we have drawn based on the case study. By the end of this presentation, you will gain useful insight that can be applied to other SME, aiming to strengthen internal collaboration. Let us begin with the introduction. Next, I will pass to Li Yingying. Li Yingying, you can start for the introduction.
This case study explores how to SNES successfully enhance their internal communication through service design. Company A and Company B, despite operating in different cities, both face significant issues such as miscommunication, delays in message delivery, and the lack of coordination between key departments. These problems affect their efficiency and customer satisfaction. To address this, both companies adopted new communication models involving employees in the design and implementation of internal systems. They run workshops, collected feedback, and introduced technology to support faster, more transparent communication. This study showcases how service design can help small and medium and enterprises to make internal challenges into opportunities for innovation and better performance. Okay.
Thank you, Li Yingying. Next, I will pass to Mohammad Hirzi Alif bin Harith. Harriet, to present the internal communication of Company A.
Company A is a furniture manufacturing business, and they've got a pretty solid system for how they talk and share updates internally. Most of the communication goes through the marketing department, which they kind of act like the main hub. Whenever a client makes a last minute changes or asks for something custom, the marketing team jumps into action. They use WhatsApp, emails, and their internet ERP system to send out updates to the production and planning teams super quickly. Because of this fast and direct flow of info, they've actually managed to cut down invoice processing time by like 70%. That means they save a bunch of time and money that would have been wasted on paperwork and back and forth emails. But what's really cool is that they try to include everyone in the process. They run internal workshops where all employees, even the quiet ones who don't usually speak up, are encouraged to share their ideas. Some of those suggestions have led to actual improvements, like smart ways to deal with material shortages during tough times. They also don't just rely on the typical boss says this, employees do that type of structure. They've got horizontal communication going on, which means people across different departments can give feedbacks and make decisions together. It's more team based and that helps ideas flow better. With that said, using too many different apps and tools like WhatsApp here, email there, ERP system somewhere else can get kinda messy. It's easy for things to slip through the cracks or get lost in the noise. That's why one improvement they are thinking about is bringing everything into one unified platform like Microsoft Teams. It will help centralize everything in one place and make it easier for everyone to stay on the same page. Overall, Company A's communication style is pretty dynamic, inclusive, and efficient. Just need a bit more streamlining to make things smoother. That's all from me.
Thank you, Hirji. Next, I will pass to Muhammad Farid Naufal bin Aziz to present the internal communication of Company B.
Thank you, Tai Huey Shuan. So, for the internal communication for Company B, which is a vehicle repair systems developer, operates differently from many traditional organizations in the industry. The sales department function as a real-time alert center rather than a passive order processor. When clients submit urgent requests, last minute changes, or report critical system issues, the sales team immediately relays this update to both production and management through an integrated combination of real time messaging platform and internal dashboards. This rapid communication model has significantly improved overall team readiness in the field by 35%, reducing missed tasks, minimizing delivery errors, and strengthening customer trust. In addition to operational improvements, Company B regularly hosts interactive workshops that rely on challenge based questions. These sessions are designed to prompt employees to identify, analyze, and propose solutions for persistent or emerging problems. As a result, teams often generate creative, practical ideas, some of which have been implemented as part of the company's long term strategies. This approach has also fostered a stronger culture of continuous learning and shared ownership over process improvement. One of the company's core strengths is its thoughtful use of audience specific messaging. For example, technical updates are carefully simplified for technicians to ensure clarity and prevent misunderstandings that could disrupt repairs. Conversely, management teams receive summaries that emphasize the financial implications and strategic relevance of each update, allowing them to make faster, more informed decisions. Despite these successes, Company B has encountered an ongoing challenge: the slow implementation of promising ideas. While employees are often willing to contribute suggestions, there is comparatively low motivation to follow through with action. To address this barrier, the company has proposed a structured reward system that recognizes valuable contributions more consistently and incentivize employees to act on new initiatives without delay. By combining recognition with tangible rewards, Company B aims to accelerate the adoption of innovative practices and sustains its competitive advantage in the vehicle repair sector. And that's all for me.
Thank you, Farid. Next, I will pass to Muhammad Haji Farhan bin Shahril Asri to present the strategy by Company A.
All right, thank you. So the strategies for Company A. Company A applies a hybrid approach by combining technology and human-centered communication to enhance collaboration and innovation. On the technology side, they have implemented advanced digital tools like WhatsApp for instant messaging, internal emails for formal communication, and a centralized ERP system to streamline operations and distribute messages efficiently. These systems seamlessly connect key departments such as marketing, production, and planning, enabling real-time data sharing and faster decision-making across the organization. On the human side, Company A fosters a culture of inclusivity and active participation. The company regularly organizes participatory workshops and open forums where employees at all levels, including factory workers and typically quiet team members, are encouraged to voice their ideas and concerns. By creating a safe and supportive environment, the company ensures that even the most reserved employees feel empowered to contribute. This approach helps uncover valuable tacit knowledge, unspoken insights, and expertise that employees possess but may not formally document or share in traditional top-down structures. Management strongly believes that tapping into this silent knowledge leads to innovative solutions, as diverse perspectives often reveal opportunities that conventional methods miss. Over time, this hybrid strategy has not only boosted creativity but also strengthened team cohesion, trust, and a sense of shared ownership in decision making. Employees feel more valued and engaged, knowing their input directly impacts the company's success. As a result, Company A has seen improved morale, higher productivity, and a more adaptive organizational culture that thrives on both technological efficiency and human connection. That is all for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Haji. Next, I will pass to Nur Intan Diana binti Jamil to present the strategy used by Company B.
Okay. Company B strategies focus on structure and envelopment. First, they redesign the information flow to ensure message pass through the right channel quickly. This reduces the risk of delay or misunderstanding, especially in time-sensitive work. Secondly, the communication chains the connect directly with production and management. Second, Company B promote cross-department dialogue by conducting regular team meetings. This meeting allow every department, including technical staff, to express concern, ask questions, and propose solutions. This not only improve internal communication but also build mutual respect among employees. Moreover, the company train team leader to adjust their language and delivery depending on the audio on the audience. This is important because technical staff may require more hand-on explanation, while executives may prefer summaries with key performance indicators. This strategy helps reduce confusion and align everyone with the company goal. Thank you.
Thank you, Intan. Next, we will move to next part. I will pass to Nur Farah Maisara binti Matnor to present the suggested improvement of both company.
Okay. Despite both companies making significant progress, we believe that further improvements could enhance internal communication. One key suggestion is appointing a communication representative or liaison in each department. This person is as the main point of contact for sharing updates, clarifying information, and reporting feedback. Having a designated person help ensure that messages are not lost, delayed, or misinterpreted. It also promotes a sense of ownership over departmental communication. In larger teams, messages can be distorted through informal channels. A liaison system adds structure and reliability. This role could also be rotated periodically to give different team members the opportunity to lead and develop communication skill. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarah. Next, I will pass to Siti Noor Elisha binti Muhammad Nasir to present the suggested improvement.
Okay, next, our second suggestion is to establish a confidential suggestion or complaint system. Many employees, especially junior staff or those with introverted personality, may hesitate to speak up in meeting or open forum. By creating an anonymous platform, either physical Dropbox or online form, employees can safely share their opinions, report issues, or suggest ideas without fear of judgment. This not only increases participation but also builds a culture of transparency and trust. When employees feel safe and valued, they are more likely to contribute to company development. Additionally, management gains access to honest feedback that may not emerge through formal channels. This tool is simple but powerful, especially for SME that want to involve with their employees' input. That's all for me. Lepas aku dah stop.
Thank you, Elisha. Next, I will pass to Xiong Jiaying to present about our conclusion.
In conclusion, both Company A and Company B demonstrated that company digital tools with participative strategies significantly improves internal communication. They expressed the benefits like fewer delays, more accurate manages, delivery, improved collaboration, and increased employee engagement. However, challenges like scattered thoughts and lack of structured the suggested improvements such as apporting communication liaisons and creating anonymous suggestion systems can help solve these remaining gaps. These case studies show that effective internal communication is not just about technology, but also about building trust, inclusiveness, and accountability. We hope that our presentation has provided valuable insights that other SAMs can apply to their own organizations.
Thank you, Xiong Jiaying. That's all from us. Thank you for your time and attention. Bye.
Thank you.